Today I'm gonna talk to my build process. I hope you'll like it. I'm starting with a sheet of 80mm MDF. The main supports consist of two of these sheets glued together. In the base I kept room for the shelf. It made the glue up a lot easier and faster. I wanted to make an invisible joint for the shelf, but it's still visible, and with my current skill set I'm more than happy with the end result. Here I paint the base. I chose this color because it will fit nicely with my bed and chair. After I'm done painting, I did a test fit to see the base put together. Up to this point no mistakes were made. The box I wanted to make on top of the base is made of 80mm pine wood. Here I made the first mistake. I wanted to sand some leftovers down 10mm. That took 3 hours of my life for one of the 3 pieces. Now it's time for the glue up. I'm using a 9 corner clamp and some duct tape. The clamps combined with the duct tape gets you a perfect 90-degree corner every time.